Think you know your English level? Are you a beginner, intermediate, or maybe a true language master? Let's put your skills to the test with a quick and fun quiz that will determine your CEFR level in just a few minutes. Hello everyone, and welcome to Advanced English with Maya, where I share fun and practical tips to help you learn English and improve your language skills in no time. So today we're testing your English level with a fun 25 question quiz. Are you ready to find out if you are a beginner or a confident user? Grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Here's how it works. You'll see 25 questions and you'll choose the best answer for each of them. You'll have 10 seconds for each question and the correct answer is worth 1 point. You'll see the correct answer after the question, so you can track your score. You can write down your answers and points for each question, and you can pause the video if you need more time. Have fun and good luck! Alright, time's up. Let's see how you did. Add your points and match your results to your CEFR level. 0 to 5 points, beginner. You're just starting and you can handle basic phrases and expressions. Keep going. 6 to 10 points, elementary. You can handle simple conversations in familiar situations. Great progress. 11 to 15 points, intermediate. You're an independent user and you can manage most everyday situations. Well done. 16 to 20 points, upper intermediate. You can speak fluently in various contexts and communicate spontaneously. Fantastic work. 21 to 23 points, advanced. You are highly proficient and can use English flexibly in professional or academic contexts. 24 to 25 points, proficient. Wow, you are a language master. You can express yourself easily and precisely. So, were you surprised by your result? Comment below with your level and your thoughts. Remember, this is just for fun. Language is about communication and not perfection. And one test can't really examine all your language skills. So keep practicing and learning. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more language tips and quizzes. And if you want to improve even faster, sign up for my one-on-one English classes. The link is in the description. Thank you for joining me today and see you in the next video.